Hey there, SJB, Mr. Grover here. I just wanted to take a minute to tell you about an exciting resource available to the students taking either the Algebra 1, Geometry, or Algebra 2 Regents or Honors courses. At the St. John's homepage, if you go under Academic Resources, on the drop-down menu, there's something called the Math Resource page. Maybe some of your teachers have told you about this. In case they don't, let me show you a couple of things that are here. Sometimes it takes a second to load, but when it does, you should see all of this stuff here. And you'll see a couple of folders. You'll see an Algebra 1 resource folder, an Algebra 2 resource folder, a Geometry resource folder. We have the Math Department's extra help schedule on there. Big Ideas Math videos, in parentheses textbook. The textbooks that we use for these three courses, they come with videos too. So if you click on that, you have to kind of search a little bit and know that, the topic you are is what chapter in the textbook. But you can find video examples that go along with your textbook from that link. But if we dive into one of these folders, like say Algebra 1, for example, within each course folder, there are subfolders for every chapter of the course. Like you see Unit 1, Unit 10, Unit 11, Unit 2. And then a couple of other random things too, like there's a Regents Review folder. Well, if we dive into one of these folders, like say Unit 2, Radicals and Polynomials, within each of these folders, you're going to find helpful resources for you to use when you're at home. Some of it is worksheets, like you see here's a study guide for Unit 2. This would be a PDF study guide on notes that can help you when you're studying to prepare for your Unit 2 test. Takes a second to pop up. There you go. And so this is something you can have on your screen or you can print out at home. There's also some very helpful links to great websites. MathBits is a common, very good one to talk about radicals, for example. This is talk about how to simplify radicals, and it'll show me notes and tutorials on how to simplify and work with radical stuff. And then there's always often links to Grover Math. Grover Math is my YouTube page. So Grover Math Video Notes Packet, this is the packet that if you wanted to print out, you could use that while you're watching the notes that go along with the playlist. So Unit 2 playlist, if we click on that, it'll bring you to a YouTube link. And the videos will automatically start playing. And what will happen here is, if the page loads, you'll see that the playlist contains several different videos for that chapter that goes along with that. We got multiplying polynomials in there, zero and negative exponents and things like that. And so all of these extra resources are available to you guys at home for each of these courses, Algebra 1, Algebra 2, and Geometry. So whenever you're looking for extra stuff, extra practice, places to prepare for a test or help you ace that Regents exam, check out the Math Department resource website.